Hello friends, welcome to our channel Cryptography Orissa.
MMM Blockchain Smart Contract Start Notice. Sergey Mavrodi founded MMM in 1992. Thanks to his financial and mathematical genius, he created the algorithms of the mutual aid fund model in 2011. Up to now, it owns over 250 million participants in 137 countries and regions, and global mutual aid funds have reached $500 billion. However, in 2018, he passed away and the closure of MMM followed, which led to the stop of global mutual aid communities. Due to the end of his life and the lack of appropriate technologies, he failed to finish his mission finally and left us with regret. But his thoughts and financial enlightenment will be carried forward as long as the universe exists. As blockchain smart contract technology came into being, Sergey Mavrodi's great idea could continue and come true finally. MMM Blockchain Smart Contract, or MMMBSC, is developed by MMM core programmer team, who has rewritten the algorithmic and model mechanisms according to the data analysis of global participants and improved the system rules. Based on the theory and practice of Sergey Mavrodi, the innovation lies in that Mavrodi's thoughts, ideas, and mutual aid model are integrated into the technology of the decentralized blockchain smart contract. The brand new unique mutual aid system 6.0, having mixed elements of shared bank plus mutual aid model plus progressive bonus plus decentralized system plus blockchain smart contract plus dollar-anchored cryptocurrency diffuses the natural contradiction between participants and administrators fundamentally and effectively solves a series of problems such as non-transparent centralized system data, dishonesty of administrators, destruction of cycle by speculators, the spread of false news resulting in panic and run on a bank. Decentralized blockchain smart contract is to write the traditional contract terms into blockchain in the form of code. The contract mechanism is code, namely law of the system. It is hard for breach of contract. The code does not know who you are, and it has no emotion or interest relationship. Once a participant triggers a certain clause in the contract, the code will run automatically, completely free from human control. Blockchain smart contract does not need mutual trust. Contract mechanism and data can't be tampered with. It is open and transparent, and everybody can trace blockchain data. Its operation is not affected by the control of any centralized administrator. There will be no trick or cheat here anymore. This is a real global mutual aid fund, where the system belongs to participants wholly, and participants also constitute the system. The system only plays the role of dispatcher, matching supply and demand. It only connects those who want to provide help and those who need help. This is how MMM Blockchain Smart Contract, or MMMBSC system works. Participants provide help on the system. The income can be increased by 1% per day, up to 30% per month. There are also a referral bonus of 5%, leadership bonus of up to 11% on 4th generation, and manager bonus of up to 19.2% on 51st generation. All these supports can lead you to financial freedom, but this is not a high-risk investment project. People help each other selflessly. This model allows each participant to cast off the slave money-making life. It brings confidence and hope for you to get rid of material shackles and realize your dreams. In this greedy and material world, it is newsprout in this modern world of no soul and human indifference. We are not living for money, but building a world where people help each other and are friendly and harmonious to each other. This allows people in the world to enjoy the grand banquet of wealth just by financial revolution. When it's necessary to restart the system due to weak markets and fund shortage, the jackpot fund makes the last sale providers get 5 to 10 times of yield and be permanent winners. The refund of funds allows the last sale providers who haven't been rewarded to get 100% of funds returned. This is the most important. The jackpot fund appends the traditional institutional flow that the latecomers would suffer losses and provides the continuous life energy for the long-term stable operation of the system. Simple. The registration system only requires adding an email address and a digital wallet and does not need other personal data. Efficient. Blockchain smart contract can run automatically in 24/7. It can operate independently and realize transaction timely. It is completely free from human control. No one can stop it. Safe. With blockchain smart contract system, you don't have to worry about attacks of network hackers. It is a great technological revolution and a machine of building trust. Blockchain smart contract financial mutual aid system, new financial nuclear weapons. An innovative model combining the financial revolution with the technological revolution.